This quick tutorial will show you exactly how to pay invoices in Bill.com. If you're managing finances for a business, staying on top of invoices is crucial. Bill.com offers a streamlined way to handle this task efficiently. Today, I'll show you how to navigate through the platform to ensure your invoices are paid seamlessly. First, let's start by accessing the Bill.com interface. Once you've logged in, direct your attention to the left-hand navigation sidebar menu. This is where you'll find all the essential features for managing your bills and invoices. Locate the Bills tab. Clicking on this tab will open up a new view that displays all of your pending invoices. This step is foundational as it sets the stage for selecting and paying the specific invoices you're targeting. With the Bills tab open, you'll see a list of all invoices currently pending payment. Take a moment to review these, noting any details like due dates and amounts. When you're ready, select the invoices you wish to pay. You can do this by simply clicking on each invoice, which will highlight it. Selecting the correct invoices is important to ensure that you're paying the right vendors and in the correct amounts. This feature is particularly helpful if you have multiple invoices due at different times, as it allows you to manage your payments efficiently without missing any deadlines. Once you have selected the invoices, the next step is to choose your funding bank account. This is the account from which the payment will be withdrawn. In the Bill.com platform, you'll usually find this option on the same page where you selected your invoices. It's crucial to ensure you're selecting the right bank account, especially if you manage multiple accounts for different purposes. Double-check that the account has sufficient funds to cover the invoices you're paying to avoid any overdraft fees or payment issues. After selecting your funding bank account, you're ready to proceed with payment. This final step involves reviewing all your selections one last time. Confirm the invoices and bank account are correct, and then initiate the payment. Bill.com often provides a summary page before finalizing the payment, so take advantage of this to ensure everything is accurate. Once confirmed, submit the payment. You'll usually receive a confirmation from Bill.com indicating the payment has been successfully processed. This system is designed to keep your financial transactions organized and efficient, reducing the risk of errors and late payments. By following these steps, you can confidently manage your business's invoices and maintain good relationships with your vendors. And there you have it. Paying invoices through Bill.com can be a straightforward task when you know the right steps to follow. I hope this guide has made the process clear and easy to understand. Remember, the key to efficient invoice management is staying organized and double-checking all details before making a payment. Thank you for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips on managing your business finances effectively.